Ever wondered how you could make money online daily within 24 hours? Yes, you heard it right. Daily. It seems like a dream, doesn't it? But in this digital age, it's more than possible. The internet has opened up a whole new world of opportunities. No longer are we confined to traditional means of earning. The rise of money-making apps is a testament to the increasing trend of harnessing the power of the digital world to create multiple income streams. These apps are not just about earning a few extra bucks. They can be a significant source of income if used strategically. Some people have even turned them into their primary income source. Remember, in the digital era, it's all about diversifying your income. Having multiple income streams can lead to financial stability and even wealth. So, let's get you started on this journey. Stay tuned as we unveil 20 exciting apps that can start filling your pockets every single day. Jumping straight in, our first set of money-making apps are quite the game changers. Let's get started. First up, we have Swagbucks. This platform is essentially a paid survey app. You can earn points or Swagbucks by completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, or even playing games. You can then convert these points into cash or gift cards. It's a versatile way to earn a bit of extra money on the side. Next on our list is TaskRabbit. This handy app connects you with people in your area who need tasks completed, from cleaning and delivery to handyman services. You set your rates and TaskRabbit takes a service fee. It's a flexible way to make money based on your skills and schedule. Thirdly, we have Fiverr, a well-known platform for freelancers. Fiverr lets you offer your services in a wide variety of fields, from graphic design to voiceover work. With Fiverr, you're in control. You set your prices, your terms, and manage your workload. It's a great platform for creative professionals looking to monetize their skills. Fourth on our list is Etsy. If you're a crafty individual, Etsy is the perfect app for you. It's an online marketplace for handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. You can set up your own shop and sell your creations to a global audience. It's a fantastic way to turn your hobby into a source of income. Last, but certainly not least, we have Rover. This app is a dream come true for pet lovers. Rover connects pet owners with sitters and walkers in their area. You can make money by taking care of pets while their owners are away. It's a fun and rewarding way to earn some cash. All these apps offer unique ways to make money online daily, and they're all accessible right at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or start a full-fledged side hustle, these apps provide the tools you need to get started. These were our first 5 apps. Moving on to more exciting ones. Continuing our journey of wealth creation, let's explore the next set of apps. Number 6 on our list is TaskRabbit. This app is like a genie in your pocket. It connects you with people nearby who need tasks done, from cleaning and delivery to handyman services. You can set your rates and work on your own schedule. It's a great way to turn your free time into green time. Moving on to app number 7, Fiverr. This platform is a goldmine for freelancers. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or web developer, Fiverr provides you with a platform to sell your services globally. The beauty of Fiverr is its scalability. You can start with $5 gigs and gradually build up to high-ticket projects. Next up, we have Field Agent. This app pays you for completing small tasks in your local area, like checking the price of a product in a store or taking a photo of a display. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is cold, hard cash. Number 9 is Etsy. If you're gifted with creativity, Etsy can be your stage. This app is a marketplace for handmade crafts, vintage items, and unique supplies. Put your creativity to work and let your art pay your bills. And finally, rounding off our top 10, we have Upwork. This platform is another haven for freelancers. Its broad categories and global reach make it a great place to find work in a range of fields. With Upwork, you can build a portfolio and create a regular income stream. Impressed already? We still have 10 more to go. Ready for more? Let's dive into the next 5 apps. First up, we have TaskRabbit. This app is a one-stop shop for people who need tasks done but don't have the time to do them. As a tasker, you can make money by helping others with their to-do lists. From cleaning and delivery to handyman work and personal assistant tasks, your skills can turn into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time job. Next on the list is Fope. This one's for the photographers out there. Fope allows you to upload your photos and sell them to individuals or businesses worldwide. Each photo can be sold multiple times, creating a steady stream of passive income. And the best part, you retain the rights to your photos. Our third app is user testing. This platform pays you to test out websites and apps. You simply provide feedback about your experience, and you're compensated for your time. It's a great way to make money while helping companies improve their user experience. Coming up fourth is Mobi. Turn your shopping trips into cash with this mystery shopping app. Complete missions at local stores and restaurants, provide feedback, and earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. It's like getting paid to do your regular shopping. Last but not least, we have Fiverr. This platform is a marketplace for freelance services. Whatever your talent may be, writing, graphic design, social media management, you can offer it up on Fiverr and start earning. It's a fantastic way to turn your skills into a profitable venture. These apps are not just about making money, they're about utilizing your talents, your time, and your savvy to create a stream of income on your own terms. They're about turning the everyday into an opportunity. Hope you're taking notes because we're not done yet. Last but not least, our final set of incredible money-making apps are... Kicking off our final five is TaskRabbit. It's a platform that connects you with people in your local community who need tasks done, from assembling furniture to grocery shopping. It's as simple as selecting a task, completing it, and getting paid. TaskRabbit's beauty lies in its flexibility. You get to choose when and where you work. Next, we have SlideJoy. This ingenious app pays you just for using your phone. You heard it right! SlideJoy displays ads on your lock screen, and you earn money every time you check your phone. It's an effortless way to earn some extra cash. Our third app in the final countdown is user testing. If you enjoy giving feedback, user testing is for you. Companies pay for user experiences, and this app connects you with those companies. Spend a few minutes reviewing a website or an app, provide some constructive feedback, and get paid for your time and insights. Mercari, the fourth app in our lineup, is a digital marketplace where you can sell anything from old books to unused clothes. The process is straightforward. List your item, ship it when it sells, and earn money. Mercari is a fantastic way to declutter your space and make money doing it. And finally, we have Turo. Think of it as the Airbnb for cars. If you have a car that spends more time parked than on the road, Turo allows you to rent it out to verified drivers. It's a smart way to turn a depreciating asset into a money-making machine. These were the last 5 of our top 20 apps, but the journey doesn't end here. Making money online daily within 24 hours has never been easier. Remember, the key is to find what works best for you, and these apps offer a wide range of possibilities. Get started today and turn your time into cash. So there you have it, 20 apps to make money online daily within 24 hours. We've taken you through a diverse range of applications, each with its own unique way to help you earn. From market research apps that pay you for your opinions, to shopping apps that give cashback rewards, to freelance platforms where you can sell your skills and expertise. These apps are more than just tools, they are doors to new opportunities. They are your ticket to financial independence and the freedom to work from anywhere at any time. All you need is the will to explore, the drive to earn, and the courage to take the first step. Don't let these opportunities pass you by. Try out these apps, discover which ones work best for you, and start your journey of making money online daily. Remember, every app is a new opportunity, so why wait? Start exploring these apps today and watch your income grow. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning,